Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to talk about this lip vitiligo micropigmentation. As you can see, there's a white patch on his lower lips. That's what we are going to cover it up, and there's a small patches on the upper lips also. So the process getting started. We are going to match the exact skin tone of his upper lips tone. So we are going ahead with a little more darker brown pigment. When you are talking about the pigments, many of them have this doubt that is it same like a tattooing. It's definitely not. It's not same like tattooing. It has a completely different from tattooing. So this ink is called as a micro-pigmentation. That means I'm just explaining you scientifically. So the pigments needs to get break, because vitiligo patients, they don't have the much more melanin layers to be get activated to accept the ink. So what they needs to do is bigger size of pigments, it can't able to hold it. So micropigmentation, it needs have a very small sizes of pigment, so vitiligo skins can able to accept that very easily. That's the concept about it. As well as the needles and the procedure which we are using, it's completely different from the tattooing. It's the cottages, not the needles. So the people who wants to be get it done, they can peacefully go ahead. No need to worry about the infection, no need to worry about the side effects, nothing. And the micropigmentation is a vegan certified, as well as it does not cause any side effects and the infection. Before doing it, our artist and the doctor who wants to do it, they will show the certification to you. Once you are satisfied much more about it, you can go ahead on that. That's the main new advanced technique about this micropigmentation processing. As you can see, it's the much more easier process comparing to the other techniques. In our body, naturally, hands as well as the legs are easy to be go ahead with other treatments, but mainly on the fingertips and the lips are much more harder vitiligo white patches. It's very tough to remove the get back our original skin tone. So we always recommend this micropigmentation. New advanced technique gives the best output comparing to the other process. As you all see, we are proceeding with the full lip, and client is completely normal. It's not the painful process. It's much more easier to be bearable. And the main more important thing we need to remember before doing this micropigmentation is, after next 2 weeks after this micropigmentation, client is not allowed to drink alcohol or smoking the cigarettes. So he needs to be in the complete proper diets as well. Food wise, he can eat anything, but avoiding spicy foods will give the much more better output. So he needs to be drink water with the straws and the foods with the spoons. In that way, he can avoid the infections on the lip vitiligo patients. As you all know, this is almost half of the things done. So we are achieving the exact skin tone. As you can see, you can't even find any difference between the normal upper lip as well as this lower lip. It's got covered completely. If you guys have any more doubts regarding this lip vitiligo micropigmentation, you can contact us at any time. The number has given on the screen, as well as we have attached our location link in the description. You can get back to us at any point of time. We are here to help you all out. And we always recommend you to be go ahead with the patch test first. For him, first we did the patch test, and the patch test gave the successful output. Then now we are going ahead with the full lips. So when you are doing the patch test, you can get to know whether the output will come or not. So always go ahead with the patch test, gives the best result. So once the patch test done, once the output came, you can go ahead and proceed with the remaining all other places. So in this method of techniques, mainly we need to focus about whether your vitiligo got stopped spreading or it's still spreading. If your vitiligo in the nature of still spreading, then it's very difficult to cover it with this kind of technique. So you need to be make sure yourself whether your spreading got stopped or not. Once it's got stopped, then this position will give the good output, as well as your melanin layer should be in the active condition. Basically, for the vitiligo patients, their melanin will start to lose. That's why they are losing their colors. So artificially we are pouring the colors into the melanin. So your melanin layer needs to be active. It needs to be the capable of holding the inks. If that melanin layer is not inactive and if it's not able to hold the inks, then overall it will get spoiled. It won't give the good output. So always keep in mind this, both the things done. So that's why we always recommend our clients to be go ahead with the patch test first. When you finish the patch test first, we can get the clear idea how this is going to be come out. So whether your melanin layer is inactive or not. If your melanin layer is in active condition, then perfectly fine, you can proceed and go ahead with the remaining places of your body. If your melanin layer is not in active condition, then this technique can't be able to hold the ink and you need to be proceed with your treatments as well as the supplements. Once you get back with that your normal layer to be stronger, then we can go ahead and proceed again. This is the main process how it works. And if the people who wants this video in a Tamil, English, Tamil and Kannada, we have attached the video for that also separately. We can go through it. You will get a much more better idea how this process works. We have a separate playlist for it. You can go through that. So at most we came in the end. We have almost finished the most of the places. There's a small things has been left, patches has been left. We are working on it, so it's almost gonna get finished now. We are very nearby to that. Once this whole process has been done, we'll be show you the final output, so stay tuned. So I'm signing off now, and I'll be leaving the pleasant music of this whole video. You guys just go through it. Please feel to contact please feel free to contact us on that same contact number mentioned in the screen, and please feel free to give any informations on the below descriptions, and please share it to your friends, because many of the people not have any idea whether these kind of techniques are available or not and suffering from this vitiligo white patches. So please share it to all the people and let them know there is a technique, so we can able to bring back our skin color back and your confidence back. That will be really helpful for them. Do that and subscribe our channel if you did not yet, and if you like the video, please do the like button, so Facebook will be so happy. I will be meet you on the next video. Until then, I'm signing off, Suresh Machu. Bye bye. Don't die nude.